AI-driven marketing for auto repair and car detailing services. How an AI can bring more customers to your auto repair shop on autopilot mode. Customers need your services, but if they cannot find you, they'll go elsewhere. So AI-powered marketing makes sure that you are the first choice whenever someone searches for auto repair or detailing shop. How AI increases your shop's traffic. AI enhanced local SEO, which ensures your shop ranks number 1 in auto repair near me searches. AI-powered ad campaigns only shows ads to the car owners needing immediate service. Automated service reminders. AI sends reminders to oil changes, tire rotations, and maintenance checks. An AI chatbot for instant booking. Customers can schedule an appointment 24/7. Take action today. Want to attract more customers and keep them coming back? Let's get your shop AI powered today. Book a strategy call with Linkbuffer Studios. See you soon.